Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 8 are going to present Class B Power Amplifier for Radio Receiver System. So, this is our group members, Muhammad Amir Syafiq bin Muhammad Jamil, Siti MAISARAH binti Rohani, Nur Izzah Afiqah binti Jukaimi, SYAZA Nur Ain binti Syamuddin, and NURUL FAEZAH binti Muhammad Salim. Next, for project background. In this assignment, the students are required to design a Class B power amplifier to amplify the signal so that it has sufficient power to drive a loudspeaker. Class B amplifier, also known as push-pull amplifier configuration. The circuit below shows how Class B bias can be used in a radio frequency output stage. In Class B amplifier, the output is half of the signal. This is because Class B amplifier is a type of power amplifier where the active component, which is transistor, only operates for a half cycle of the input signal. The biasing of the transistor in Class B operation it is such a way that a zero signal condition, there will be no collector current. It happened that the operating point is meant to be at collector cut off voltage. This means only positive half cycle with conduction angle 180 degree is amplified at the output. Besides, due to only one cycle of input use, the Class B power amplifier does not fully utilize the input power. In order to solve this problem, we use the push-pull configuration. The figure below shows the construction of a push-pull Class B power amplifier.
Using this FAEZAH chart, we listed the facts, ideas, learning issues, action plans and solutions based on the problem. The table shows explanation for each column in the FAEZAH chart.
Next, this is our circuit design. We use LT-SPICE software to draw our schematic circuit. The parameter that we use resistor 10 ohm, PNP, NPN, VCC 10 volt, VEE 10 volt, and AC source 10 volt, which is 1 kHz of frequency. And then, this is our simulation process.
Result. This is result for input current and output current waveform. From the simulation, we got the input current is 0.36 mA and output current is 0.9 ampere. Next, the result for input voltage and output voltage waveform. As we said, the input voltage is 10 volt and from the simulation, we got the output voltage is 9.1 volt. Calculation. For calculation, first we find peak load current, then we find DC current from the supply, next we find the power supply to circuit, and we find the output power developed across the load, then we find the circuit efficiency and the maximum output power, next we find the maximum input power, and lastly we find the circuit maximum efficiency. Conclusion. In conclusion, from this assignment, we learned about Class B power amplifier circuit classification and how to produce the desired output of load. This type of amplifier is mostly utilized in radio receiver system to help amplify signal. Finally, we can compare the design by talking about quality, characteristic, and efficiency. We also can determine whether the design circuit is practically functional as planned.
So that's all from us. Thank you.